Hi guys, this is Dina. Today I have a special gadget with me, which is the MS116 optical mouse by the brand Dell. Let's review it. This mouse features optical LED tracking and wired connectivity, which makes it a great performer on any kind of surface. With 1000 dpi optical tracking, it ensures high sensitivity and no jittery and inconsistent movements. Talking about compatibility, it can be connected to any system that has a USB port. All you have to do is just plug and play. It is ergonomically designed to fit the contours of your hand and can be used comfortably for extended periods. This is very convenient and an ideal computer accessory. Until next time, stay tuned.
Presenting Dell MS116 optical mouse. The mouse is also available in another pattern variant of mouse with mousepad. This mouse has optical movement detection and 1000 dpi resolution. The mouse features great aesthetics and is comfortable for use in longer periods with performance. The cable length of the mouse is 1.8